Greetings, friends of the A Collision with Purpose Project. Welcome to another episode of Daily Insights, the home of knowledge, understanding, and wisdom. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic is so personal to me because too often I find that I have been living a life that is built on societal expectations or what others believe is best for me. I want to have a conversation with you about the key to authentic living, embracing your skin. Let us begin by diving in to a topic that is often overlooked but holds immense power, embracing your skin. What does it mean to inhabit your skin truly? What does it mean to live in your skin? To embrace every fiber of your being, every nuance of your existence, and every imperfection that makes you uniquely you? I tell you what it means. It means living authentically, unapologetically, and without the burden of conformity. I have a few questions for you to think about. How often do you try to fit into someone else's mold? How many times have you suppressed your true desires, passions, and quirks to conform to societal expectations or the standards set by others? Here's what I have to say to you as you work through those questions. Imagine that your life begins when you shed those shackles of conformity, when you stand tall, proud, and unyielding in your skin, when you embrace your flaws as badges of honor rather than scars of shame. Let's think about this for a moment. Let's think about a world where we are unafraid to be ourselves, a world where we celebrate our differences instead of hiding them, a world where we find strength in vulnerability and power in authenticity. But here's the kicker. This world starts with you. Yes, you. It begins with us daring to step out of the shadows of conformity and into the light of our true selves. It begins with embracing our passions, pursuing our dreams, and refusing to apologize for who we are. Are you truly living in your skin? Or are you merely a shell, a facade, hiding your true self from the world? I challenge you to take a long, hard look in the mirror and ask yourself, am I living authentically? Am I embracing my true self, flaws and all? And if not, what am I waiting for? What do I intend to do about it? Life is too short to pretend to be someone you're not. Life is too precious to waste conforming to someone else's idea of who you should be. Let us make a pact today, right now, to live boldly, unapologetically, and authentically in our skin. Let us embrace our flaws, quirks, passions, and dreams. Let us dare to be ourselves fiercely and unapologetically, because that is where true freedom lies. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.